Kawhi Leonard on the Diamante, Kelly Oubre on the Diamante, and we're going to get a Brooks Barnheiser rookie card on the 1980 throwback. Jeremiah Fears, is that generation now? Yep. Not numbered. Base generation now insert. Dirk Nowitzki on the 8-bit baller. Base card. Oh, nice LeBron James on the power player. Numbered? No. Base LeBron on the power players. Nice insert though. Danny Wolf on the generation now. Rookie card. For Brooklyn Nets. We got a D Wade on 8-bit baller. And our numbered cards is a Jalen Williams, numbered 626 out of 2025. And it's a numbered card.